Okay, go get her. Step. Good job. Good. Oh. She's sitting on my hand. Okay. Let's move over. Let's try again. Let's try again. Where's Violet? Oh my God, there's Violet. Go get her.
2 minutes of bedtime.
Go get her. Where's Violet?
It's my favorite animal. Please, that's my favorite color. I'd like you to eat tacos. Please.
Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Look.
Allison, just like you.
Come on. Go get Violet. Where's Violet? Stand back up. No. You need to get back up. Just pull her. Yeah. But don't pull her all the way up. Just get her hands on the bar. Yeah, there you go. Go ahead. Stand back up. There you go. Up, up. Good job.
Clap your paws, clap, clap. If you're happy and you know it, clap your paws, clap,
Go get her.
clap. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your paws, clap, clap.
Okay, come on. Put your weight over here. Put your weight over here. Put your weight over here. Good job. Now let's go back the other way. Oh my gosh, there's Violet.
Obstructing the view.
Good, Allison. Oh my goodness, there's Violet. Bring the foot. Good job. Oh my gosh, there's Violet. Good job, Allie. Oh, there's Violet. Bring the foot, bring the foot, bring the foot. Bring the foot. There you go. Good job. Oh my gosh, there's Violet. There's my friend. Let me go get her. Up, up, up. Good save. You're doing great, baby. One more step and you'll have Violet. Come get her. There she is. I'm gonna go get her. I'm gonna go get her. Oh, yay! Now you have to bend your legs. No, bend. Bend. Well, close enough. Good job.